Upright and fearless, they cross a red crack of history. These gazes face the sun like those dying at the festival of Charos. The enemy's bullets defied the traitors' gaze. Their bodies rolled into the embrace of Mother Earth, sanctifying with blood. Upright and fearless, they traverse the wide path of glory in the bosom of freedom. They stand, then, with a final fluttering memory, they nestle in the nest. 200 in Kessariani. I don't know if their eyes were closed on that battered wall with the worn jackets and the straightened body. Nor do I know of the last moment, the last desire. I know that in their smile freedom was painted, and that time does not forgive traitors, and neither should